Want to know how to make Cursor AI change the tone or the program tone or the output tone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your tone in your program in Cursor AI automatically. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up a Cursor AI application. So once I've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. And now I have the CSAP program with me right here. Now what I need to do is I need to just select the entire code. So for that, just simply select Ctrl+A, and right here you should be seeing Add to Chat and Quick Edit. Just simply select Quick Edit right here. Now, since we want to change our program tone, you can just simply type in this prompt. Just simply select enter, and once I've selected enter, as you can see right here, your program should be rewritten and edited. And that's it, super simple and easy. You can just simply select keep and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.